Here's a secret on how to actually get tons of subscribers on YouTube fast. I run channels with millions of subscribers, and this is one of my secret tools for growing on YouTube. And here's the thing, in order to get more subscribers, you need more views because a certain percentage of them will subscribe. And how do you get more views? By uploading optimized videos. And this AI tool will optimize your videos in literally just 5 seconds in an actual good way. If we go to the tool and click this section called Warp Upload, then we can paste in a video URL of one of our unlisted videos before we upload it. After that, we just click this button right here. And then what this tool is going to do is scan through the video and what is said in the video, and then craft the perfect titles, description, and tags, and you can literally just copy paste this into your videos and you're ready to go. Now the tool is called a TubeMagic, and it will also write your scripts. It has script templates for how-to scripts, script outlines, YouTube short scripts, and it'll also help you come up with great video ideas and a bunch of other awesome things. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using TubeMagic as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to TubeMagic with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using TubeMagic to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with TubeMagic, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, TubeMagic does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of TubeMagic, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.